Next question is from Gus Fring. Oh, I know that name from Breaking Bad. What a cool name. I wonder, is it the real Gus Fring? So let's try read this. Happy New Year. Finally decided to get more serious with investing and decided to join your Patreon. Really impressed so far. Well, thank you, Gus. I'm getting back into crypto, and a project I got into last cycle is going to be having a huge unlock in 2 weeks. It's called Ondo. Could you tell me what the best approach is to exit before I get diluted? Something I've been thinking about is the basis trade, take out a long future perp, and then we bag the meaty interest. And I think there is a chance when funding gets us negative, there will be a squeeze. So you bag the interest, and then you get the pop from the squeeze. Is this a legit trading idea? It is, yes. But the problem is you have to watch it very carefully. Let's look at Ondo for a second. As you know, my first step in investing in crypto is you look at the crypto compendium score or the tokenomics. Ondo is in the bottom 8% of the top 500 cryptos. This is like plague level tokenomics, so I would not touch it myself. It's pretty scary. And the unlock you're referring to is monstrous. We're talking 1.94 billion of Ondo, about 134.2% of the circulating supply. That is pretty terrifying. We saw what happened with the Pith unlock, and it's still suppressing the price. So just because a big unlock, by the way, happens, it doesn't mean the price will tank. Sometimes it's just constant selling pressure that will keep the price down for a long period of time. But as I always say, in a bull market, if things really kick off in all season, it can float all boats. Let's look at the chart and then we talk about your strategy. This is Ondo on the ATR, and as you can see, it hasn't gone. It kind of went up and then it chopped sideways for a lot of 2024, and it started moving up a little bit towards the end of this year. It hit a new breakout above $2, and now it's falling down again. The trend is pretty nasty. It's between level 3 and level 4. So what's it going to do next after this massive unlock? I'd say it's not going to be pretty. And you can see the trend is down, so maybe some of the people are actually pre-selling it ahead of time. So let's look at this for a second. The options before you unlock. What do you do? What can you do? And how do you want to play it? For me, I would typically, rather than get too fancy, this is a huge unlock, so I would probably sell before the unlock. However, as I mentioned, if there is a huge alt season, it could really kick off. But there will definitely be a lot of selling pressure, and Rory is seeing that right now. Now, what you could also do as another option is you can hedge it with a short perp. If you're holding it long term at a low cost basis, you could just perp short it for a piece of your bag. You could enter like a 5x or something. Watch the financing cost of that perp, because you may have to hold it for more than my recommended 10 to 30 days. We'll see, because the pressure, you know what's going to happen in the crypto market. Plus, Feb is normally a pretty good month for crypto, so we have to look ahead to that too. And also for your plan, watch when the funding rates are negative, and holding a long position in perp can indeed earn you funding payments from the short holders. So watch for that too. Your strategy, yes, it can work, but I wouldn't try to get too fancy. I'd just probably exit the position and move it somewhere else, because if you get really fancy, and you might get a few pennies from your trading strategy, but if the asset's not really going anywhere when other assets are, then you need to revise that strategy.